this your party?
No, this is Bunny's party. This is my son Bunny's party.
Okay.
Okay.
So, wait a minute. What's the secret recipe?
Secret recipe is
By the way, your name is?
Harry Myers.
Harry Myers the first, second?
Second.
Second, yeah. Bunny the first, right?
Yeah, Bunny. He's the third.
Yeah, Bunny's the second. You're Bunny the first.
No, I'm Bunny the first, but I'm Harry the second.
Harry
Okay.
the second. Bunny's Bunny the second and Harry the third.
Right.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Got this all clear on this video.
Yeah, we really got it clear.
So, what's the key to making this chicken?
The sauce. The sauce.
Can you give me your secret recipe, or is it
I got to go read it off. I can't remember it. After about 50 years, I can't remember it.
like
It's vinegar, tomato juice, butter, and red pepper.
Okay.
That's how simple it is. But it's got to be made by the recipe.
All right. How long do you cook it?
On a half, it takes 3 hours.
Okay.
On these leg quarters, it takes about 2 hours.
You like turn the bone inside of it like they do in Chef?
Well, yeah, we do that, but sometimes on big chickens it won't work. Little chickens it works. Okay.
Yeah. So when you were a poultry science major at North Carolina State, did you think you were straight ag, right?
No, poultry science. Yeah. Mm.
Did you know this is what it would turn into?
Oh yeah. When I came to this county, we were cooking chickens big time, and I learned from them.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So how do you like getting all these people together here?
That's great. It's great. We need to have a Sutliff reunion.
So tell me about meeting Nancy and running away. She got dressed up in the middle of the summer during tobacco season. Give me the real story.
I never remember running away. I met Nancy. God, I don't know how many years ago it was, but she went to Ruffin High School where I went, and I just met her, and a wonderful girl, a wonderful woman.
So you didn't go over to her house and pick her up and y'all ran off?
No way.
Where'd you get married?
South Carolina.
Okay, so that means you ran away.
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah. So your parents were who?
Harry and Minnie Myers.
They ran what? They ran
The grocery store in Ruffin, North Carolina.
Did you work in tobacco when you were a kid?
Oh yeah.
Okay. And where did you do that?
At my grandfather's.
Okay. And he was who?
He was a Morris.
That's close enough. They lived down the road.
Yeah, they're down the road. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So and they had so you got to do all the suckering.
Everything went with it.
And when you moved, you went to North Carolina State for what? 2 years, 4 years?
4 years.
4 years. And did you go knowing you were going to be a farmer or an extension agent? What was your?
No, I didn't know I'd be extension agent. No, I thought I might be a farmer, but I turned out to be extension agent.
Yeah. How did the National Guard get in the picture?
I wasn't in the National Guard. I was in about the same thing, reserve. Yeah, reserve. Yeah, And I went on active duty out of NC State with a scholarship. I mean, with a ROTC scholarship, and then stayed 2 years and got out and stayed 30 years in the reserve.
Okay. And you're a colonel?
Yep.
And so what's above a colonel?
General.
Yeah.
Brigadier General.
Brigadier General?
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever been to the 29th Regiment?
Nope.
Where was the 29th Regiment?
I have no idea.
I have no idea. So it's up in Statesville.
Oh, it is? Okay. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Anyway, all right. Well, thanks for your advice here on the secret recipe.
All right, bud. Thanks for coming to.
Nancy's favorite food she made that she cooked. That you like to eat?
God, everything Nancy cooked was good. I'm hard pushed now for the favorite one. I guess it was
A meat.
a meat.
Yeah.
Oh, chicken, fried chicken.
Pastry, bread.
Pastry and bread was the brown sugar cake that all of us that married into the Morris family, you used to it too from your
Okay. All right.
privilege. Okay.
Dessert. Oh, brown sugar cake.
Brown sugar cake, yeah.
And vegetables.
Oh, butter beans.
All right. You're done.